Here's how to make custom stickers in WhatsApp. Now, if you're in WhatsApp on your iPhone or Android and you wanted to create your own stickers, I'll show you two different options. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Open up the WhatsApp app here and first just navigate to a conversation. It doesn't really matter. In this case, I'm just texting myself. So you can see Trevor Nace, you here. Now, I'm going to tap on the sticker icon right above that eye, that little sticker icon here. And now from here, if you're on GIF or this little person, switch over to stickers here. And now you'll be able to see on the left-hand side is create. Just tap on that. This is where you create new stickers. Now I can scroll down here and let's say I wanted to create a sticker from this photo of my daughter. So you can see it usually just cuts out the entire background and guesstimates what the subject is. From here, I can write on it if I wanted to write something, or I can draw on it, etc. Now, when I'm ready to go, I'll hit the little send button at the bottom right. So I've created that sticker, but you do have another option to create just random stickers using AI. So you can do that by tapping on create here again. And now we're going to hit use AI at the top right. Now from here, I'm just going to say a cat surfing. Something like that. So you can just choose whatever you want and it will go through the process of creating that sticker. So I like this one. Let's use that one. Just tap on it and now it is in my stickers. In any conversation, I can just open up the stickers and tap on it and it will automatically send that sticker. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and I'll catch you on the next one.